been made in Hyderabad, which is one of the cities that is also worst affected. Now, barring Hyderabad, all shops will be reopening across the state. While the RTC buses will be allowed to ply in the state, the interstate buses will not be allowed to function. Salons and barber shops will be able to reopen except in the containment zones. Additionally, the autos and the cabs will also be allowed to function in the state. Let me bring in my colleague Paul for further updates on this. Paul, it looks like there is a lot of relaxations that has been given in the state of Telangana, barring Hyderabad. Help us understand what are the activities that has been allowed by the state of Telangana and which are the activities which will continue to remain suspended.
Well, Apurva, late last evening, CM KCR addressed a press conference after a cabinet meeting that took place at Pragati Bhavan, which is the CM's official camp office, after which he declared that the entire state of Telangana, except some containment zones in Hyderabad, 4 to be precise, the entire state will be declared as a green zone, will be considered as a green zone, and the restrictions will continue only in the 4 containment zones in the state of Hyderabad, in the state of Telangana. Only 4 places in Hyderabad, it will be considered as a containment zone. Apart from that, he said 100% e-commerce will be allowed to operate. Also, he said food delivery options would be allowed. Restaurants, dine-in option will not be allowed. Stadiums, gyms, swimming pools, etc. will not be allowed. Parks as well will be shut. But educational institutions will also remain shut. But he also said that vehicles can start operating across the state of Telangana. In terms of RTC, that is the Road Transport Corporation buses, he said within Hyderabad, it will not be operating, but inter-district buses will be operating. And in terms of interstate buses, he said, at the moment, Telangana is not allowing any bus to enter into the state, nor will it be allowing any bus to leave the state, which means interstate movement is restricted. There is no kind of movement between states. Inter-district movement within the state is allowed, except that in Hyderabad, buses will not be operating. So several relaxations announced. In terms of shops, he said across the state, all kinds of shops are allowed, but in Hyderabad at least, you will have to follow instructions of the GHMC commissioner, which is the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Their commissioner's rules follow, which is indirectly saying that alternate shops will be allowed to open. We are waiting to see whether it will be alternate days or there will be sequence, that is sequential numbering given, in which the odd numbers can operate on one day and even numbers can operate. We'll have to wait for that clarity at the moment.
All right, Paul, appreciate you joining us and giving us